So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to try and replace some of these OEM parts such as the cabin filter and the interior dash knobs and this carbon fiber hood if it fits. So like I said guys, I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter, which I'm pretty sure just sits right there, and I got some OEM dash knobs. As for those who know, as you can see right here, these are my old ones and they look hella ugly. The rubber is actually coming off. Look, it's just pure white now. So you know, I bought some OEM replacements, and don't worry guys, I did buy two, but far, check that out, it should look 100 times way better, eh? But first things first, let's do the cabin air filter. So for the cabin air filter, apparently it's on the passenger side, and all you gotta do is remove these rubber trims by popping like a 5mm under the tabs, popping it out, and then you can lift this plastic trim, and then the actual old filter should be in there. First time doing it, so wish me luck. Alright, you guys ready for the moment of truth? Let's see how dirty it is. Let's go. There it is. Wait, what? Who put that there? What? Sodium nickel? The hell? But what the heck guys, whoever put this tomato in there is actually cooked. But anyways, it's filters right here now, and all you gotta do is pop it out, and it's like a whole case, which I don't know. Oh, there you go, comes out, and there you go. So mine's not too bad compared to other people in the forums. It's a bit dark, but you know. So the fresh brand new one on the left right here, and then the old one, look at that. It's not black, but it's just a bit dusty, but you already know the new one's 100 times way better. Alright guys, so lucky I read the instructions, because apparently this arrow or some shit has to be facing down, so I would have installed it wrong. So here it goes, pop it out, a few clips. Throw this one out. Like, who threw that? Alright guys, so I've just finished replacing it, and now I'm pretty sure all we're gonna do is slot it back in. 100 times way better, eh? Damn, hella ugly. Look. Fuck, cut myself. Alright, so now that we have changed the cabin air filter, we can now move on to the interior knobs. So guys, like you saw before, this is hella shit. So hopefully the new ones will make it 100 times way better. No, actually it will make it 100 times way better. You cannot take this out. Oh, yeet. Wow, this is lit. It just comes out. Alright, ready? Oh, 100 times way better. Suss that out. Look at that. 100 times way better. Yeah. Let's do the next one now. Pull straight out, and then you add a bit of Powerade, because the name says it itself, Powerade, you know, power. So we're gonna add some power onto it. So I'm gonna feed this through, and then after the Powerade, all you can do is put your new knob in, push it, and oof, 100 times way better. Suss that out. Oof. Alright guys, so now that is all done, we can now move on to the carbon fiber hood. I don't actually know if this is genuine carbon fiber or if it's fiberglass, but guys, it's not in the best condition. It's a bit faded as you can see, but hey, it could be 100 times way better than the stock one, but who knows. So for those who know, I used to have this before I even started YouTube, but the problem was when we installed it, because I did try to install this before I actually started YouTube, it wouldn't close on the latch here, So I'm going to try and test fit it again today, and then try and work around it, see if I can make the latch work this time, man. But look at those vents. Wow, it'll make the car look 100 times way better. Alright guys, so the hood is on. Look at that, 100 times way better. But same problem as last time, guys. Look at this. It looks closed here, but look, it won't close. And not sure if the camera can see, but I think it's the latches is not sitting in properly. So I'm going to try and adjust those 4 or 3 bolts there, move the bracket up, and hopefully it works. So I'm actually keen as to run this, so I just hope I can figure this out before the sun goes down. Because look at this, looks sick, eh? 100 times way better. Alright guys, we ran into a problem. Suss this out. There's an extra bolt laying around, and it's half, because you know what, we broke the bolt in there later, bolt. And guys, another problem we have with the hood is right here, these latches, I think the bolt is fucked, or the hood is fucked, and it needs to be re-threaded. So the bolt just keeps spinning, it doesn't actually go in like the driver's side. So I guess that has to be drilled out, and then, you know, re-thread it or put a nut in there or something. But in the meantime, I guess we're gonna be running the stock hood. So I'm gonna try and close it just to, you know, get some photos. And then, yeah, it's not safe to run like this, so we're gonna have to take it off after. Damn, look at all those vents. Woo. Exciting news right now. I'm pretty sure this hood fits. I found a sweet spot, guys. So where I tape this masking tape right here is where I have to officially press it, as in like press it to close. So what happened was, I thought the latch wasn't touching, and so we moved the bracket up, which helped. But then I thought, you know, if I press it from the latch, which is probably common sense, it will actually close. And right here is a sweet spot, so suss this out. Look at that, 100 times way better. Damn. Woo. Check that out, guys. That is 100 times way better. Come on, come on. All right, from the front, because still got stock rims, but here, fuck, actually looks mint. Like, it makes it aggressive, but not too aggressive, if that makes sense. Fuck, even at certain angles like here, I reckon if I had the side skirt and the rims, it would look 100 times way better. But my favorite right now is from this angle. Woo, mint. But the downside is, we can't run this hood. So yep guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Apologies for the dull video, you know, I'm not too comfortable vlogging away from the ZPG headquarters, but as you guys saw, the carbon fiber hood on the S2000 looked 100 times way better. But the downside is I cannot run it, as it's not safe to do so, because, you know, the latches wasn't like secured properly, so it might actually lift up, like the hood might actually lift up. So I do have plans to fix that along with the Mugen hardtop, but I just gotta find some time. If you think the carbon hood is 100 times way better, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Steph Curry, when I hit the 3, I hit the woo. Pause.